Welcome back to techystack, and today we'll try to export one more new challenge. So here the problem is, so I want to download this XAML file. So once I downloaded that, so we are getting some errors because having some dependencies or something issues will get. So now how we can rectify those things? So just I'm downloading this XAML file. So I will put it into local disk. Let me put in somewhere else. So I'm keeping in desktop. Okay, then it's fine, no problem. I save this file. So now I'm back to this desktop. So where is my file? So this is my file. So now I created one new folder. So I will put inside of that folder. So I created one new folder. Let me put inside of this folder. Okay, now I will go inside and I will open this XAML file. Now it will throw some couple of errors. So how we can rectify those things, we'll see now. So these errors are which is related to this XAML things. So it's saying some activities are not appended here. Now, first step, what I will do now, I will just close this one and I will delete XAML file. Sorry, not the XAML file, I will delete the project file. So initially we saw that only this file is available. Now, once you open that, it will create all the dependencies and which of the files are required. It's created all the files. The first step, I will delete this JSON, sorry, I will delete this JSON file and I will reopen it. So this is the first step. Sometimes it will resolve our issue. So still, if you're having the same issue, then the next step, what I will do, I will just delete this JSON file again. And whatever the JSON file I'm having with the old JSON files which I'm using earlier. So I will go that JSON file and I will copy that JSON file and paste it there. So we'll see how it will resolve that. So that is the second thing which I will do. So let me take this is fine. I will take this project JSON file and paste it here. So sometimes if you update it like this, it will got resolved. So still, if you are getting any issues, so previous we have bunch of things are there. Now it reduced only 3 to 4. So now we have only 4 errors. So after that, go to this imports and you can check. So the first one is PDF activities is not available. Just go to this manage packages and install this PDF packages. So let me enter your part dot PDF. So I will install. So if you want, you can go with this. I mean, update version, or you can go with this earlier version. Sometimes what happen na, it won't work this update versions because that when he developed, he used some lower versions. That's why I'm going with 3.10.2. It's fine. So and I'm click on this. So once this is done, we can see something here. So just click on I accept. So now most of the things are resolved and we are getting the only one error. So which is related, you can check here. So uipath.form.activities. So just now I'll go back to this uipath all packages and I will install uipath.form.activities. Okay, let me install this one. So if you want, you can go with this any version of this. So let me update this and I will save this one. So now I think it got resolved. Okay, still having that some issue. So now I will go back to this manage packages again and form activities where is it. So I will try to update this latest version. Maybe it will help to resolve that. Sometimes we need to downgrade the versions or sometimes we need to upgrade the versions. So now still it is not resolved. Let me check is there any errors apart from this in imports. So I have only one UiPath.sap core activities. So let me go and check that core activities. So where is the core activities? UiPath.core activities. It's something. So it's saying that it's not available. Now you put that form activities. Let me check form activities again. Now I will go to the older version 23.4.6. Let me check whether it will issue that our issues or not. So it's installing that packages. Now we need to wait for a couple of seconds. Still it's not resolved. So having the same issue. Now let me check in imports what is this error. So having the form activities. So again we have the issue with the form activities only. We let me check this 20 dot sorry 2.0.3. So I'm accepting. Okay, now it's got resolved. So why? I mean, where it will use exactly means sometimes when you go in real time. So one of the developer has been developer and he exit from organization or he might be moved to different team. So that time he will not give the proper KT and we are getting some couple of errors. So that time we need to rectify what type of packages he used. We don't know whether he used the old version of packages or new version of packages, and we don't know anything about what type of packages he used. So that time this is a method which you can use in the real time.